this video, I'm going to show you how to use Restream and public domain videos to gain your 4,000 watch hour and your subscribers. A lot of people has been complaining about not getting watch hour on Restream and not gaining subscribers. Gaining watch hour and subscribers on Restream depends on how you use it. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can get your videos. It is not a must that you must use your own video. You can use public domain videos. So I'm going to show you where to get your videos, how you can set up your Restream for you to gain perfect views, for you to gain watch hour on Restream. I have gained 20 watch hour on Restream for streaming up to just 2 hours. I gained 20 watch hours, so you can as well get more than this. My friend get 200 watch hour because she streamed up to 9 hours. So if you want to gain the best part of Restream, you can stream for hours. So using Restream to gain your 4,000 watch hour is not a bad one, like YouTube accepted it. So watch this video till the end. Let me show you the perfect way you can use your Restream for you to gain views, gain subscribers, and gain your watch hour. So let's dive into the tutorial.
So before we forge ahead, let me say this: there are some mistakes that we normally do, like I did it when I started newly, that will make you not to gain views on Restream, and I'll be sorting it out. I'll be explaining it at the end of this video. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser, then type cover that you type is COVERR. Then it will bring you to this interface where you will see search. You will see unlock more with cover. Like if you want to upgrade, you have all those things, AI video and all this stuff, but we are not making use of that. You type in free download videos. That's what you are going to type in here. So after loading, it will bring you to this page where you will see so many options, like what you wanted to use as your video. Like it will give you nature, people, love, travel, like so many of them. And so if you are selecting video, make sure that the video you are selecting is the type of video that people will like to watch, like that will retain people, they will like to watch it. And another thing you have to have in mind when selecting a video is that the video that you need to select is the video that will match with the beginning. Like it will be looping all together, that people will not notice that this is the end and this is the beginning. So after selecting the video, I'll be choosing travel. Then on travel, I will choose road trip. So it will bring you to this phase where you will see travel, luggages, driving, airport, like the type that you wanted. So after choosing the one you wanted, you come to this page where you will see a lot of videos. Like they will show you a lot of videos on road trip. So the first one is iStock videos. Here, if you open it, you will see that they have their watermark on the face of the video, and you cannot even try to hide it because YouTube will see the ID address. So let me try and open one of it so that you understand what I'm trying to say. So you click on it and it will bring you to this place where you can be able to download the video, but if you look closely to that video, you will see their watermark. That watermark you cannot hide. Even if you put something to hide it, YouTube will still detect their ID address. So we left here, you just go back, then come down, you will see a lot of road trip. You can choose anyone you wanted, like you can download anyone you wanted. These ones are all free, so I'll be choosing this one, a rider. So I'll choose it. You can play the video to know is it exactly what you wanted. So after choosing it, I will download it and it will save to my phone. And make sure you know the type of video that you are downloading, whether it is AI or just normal video, because of the altered content. So that when you reach there, you can know whether to say yes or no. So we download the video and head over to our InShot. Here on our InShot, we upload the video that we downloaded. So we'll be making this video to be yours. We know that the video is free, but we will also make the video to be yours. So the first thing we have to do is to duplicate this video. It's short video, so you have to duplicate it as many as possible. At least let the video be up to a minute or so, or more than. So after duplicating it, you have to put text, click on text, and then put text. Maybe this, you write this rider on speed. Just make the video to be yours. So after putting all this text, so after that, you drag the text so that it can be able to cover the whole video. So you then click on split. What you have to do is to cut the end of the video, the edges of the video, so that it will match the beginning. Like when the video is playing towards the end, you cut it so that it will match the beginning. They will not know that it has started all over again, so that the looping will be very, very smooth. So after doing all these things, then you can put background music. If you have any free copyrighted music, you can just put it. Just make the video to be yours. Any way you can make it, just make it. You can zoom in or zoom out, like you can put sticker. So after all this thing, please remember to remove the InShot watermark. Remember to remove it. So after all these things, then you download the video and head over to Restream. You go over to your browser and type in restream.io. It will bring you over to this page where you have to put in your Google account. Please, if you are putting in your Google account, make sure that the Google account that you are putting in is the same one that you are using on your YouTube. The same Google account that you are using on your YouTube is what you are going to choose. So when all this thing is still loading, so you are seeing mine like this because I have been using it. This is all the video that I have been using on it. So as a new user, what you have to do is to click on the upper side, and it will bring you to this interface where you will see Restream Studio, encoder, and video or playlist. You have to choose Restream Studio. So when you click on that, it will load and bring you to the next page. So here they will bring you to allow microphone, allow downloading picture from your phone. So allow all those things. If you cancel it, that means it will not, you will not get use of it. So then what you have to do is to enter studio. Here you will see these three dots. Click on it and it will bring you to this page where you will see invite guests, schedule, extra video. You click on video. Then here, what as a Restream used to do is that you, as long as you are not a paid member, you will only download or upload 3 videos. So click on upload and you upload the video that we downloaded. So it's still uploading. It's still at 65. So after uploading this video, then you tap on it and it will bring you to this face. So this is where you are going to set how you want to restream. Like everything you did here determines whether you are going to gain views or not. So the first thing you have to do here is to click at the left hand side of the video. You are seeing my picture there because I have already added my YouTube account. So you click on it, then you will see YouTube. Here you are seeing my profile. It's supposed to be YouTube. Then you put your YouTube account. If you want to stream on Facebook, you click on it. So after adding your account, you go back to the page and set your studio the way you wanted it to be. So coming to the face of this page, you will see so many icons on it. This first one is how you want your video to be on live, whether horizontal or vertical, but I always advise to use vertical. Like this is very important. Like vertical is that those that are watching short form video will always see your video, like they will see your video. But when you are using horizontal, like it will be as if you are posting a long form video. But when you use vertical like will be as if you posted short form video. So and it tends to go more far. So you click on this first one. So after doing this, what you have to do again is to tap on the video. You will see 3 dots. you will see this three dots, click on it and you will see loop. Please make sure that you loop this video, make sure that you put it on loop, because loop will make it to play over and over again till you end the live streaming, and increase the volume if it has any sound. So after all these things, please make sure that you also mute the mic of this video. You click on this background, like this mic icon here, to mute the background of the video, so that they will not be hearing the voices of the people around. So when you do that, you can choose music, you can add music that will be playing on the background. So all these things is what you have to do. Here again, you can, when you want to invite guests, you can invite guests by tapping on this icon. So this is it. So after arranging everything like this, you can click the pen icon on the top, so that you can be able to put your title, your thumbnail, like your description. Make sure that you put your title, your description. You can as well put hashtag on that description, because that makes it to go more far. So after all these things, then you can go live. This will stream as long as you want it until you end it. And most important thing that you have to do is to please go to your phone and put your phone on please don't disturb. Is it do not disturb? Yes, do not disturb. Put it on do not disturb, so that in calls or any other thing cannot interrupt the live. So this is the end of it. If you have not been gaining views on Restream, you can do it all over. You cannot just do it once and start gaining views. You need to come on live more often than before, so that people will know you, so that YouTube can be able to push your video to more people. The more you come on live, the more you gain people, and the more you gain watch hour. So this is it, and this is the end of today's video. I hope you find it helpful.